So what if the world that you were born into was never designed for your sovereignty? What if the very systems we rely on, governance, media, health, education, were never built for freedom, but for control? For over a decade, I sat at tables of power. I chaired committees, I've led departments, I've passed legislation through committee work, and then I woke up. I saw the machine for what it is, and I chose to build something different. This channel is not just about politics. It's not just about spirituality. It's not just about AI or tech or natural regenerative health. It's about sovereignty at every level, personal, political, planetary. Here we talk about healing in a system built to break you. We talk about leading without losing your soul. Making sense in an age of weaponized information. Designing new systems from within. Because true sovereignty isn't a rebellion. It's a return to who we were always meant to be. So subscribe if you're ready to take your power back. Not with noise, but with clarity, with coherence, with design. Lead consciously, live sovereignly, design the future. This is Beverley Schäfer, and I am Sovereign Systems with Beverley Schäfer. Look forward to engaging with you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this clip, please like, share, and subscribe, and I look forward to engaging with you in my next episode.